Here is how to create custom reports in HubSpot, step by step. Start by signing in to your HubSpot account. Once you are in, go to the main navigation and open Reporting, then select Reports. This takes you into the Reports area, where existing reports are stored and where new ones can be created. From the Report screen, move to the top right corner and click Create. In the menu that appears, select Create Report. This opens the report setup flow and gives you the starting point for building a new report from scratch rather than opening something that already exists. Next, under the section labeled Start on Your Own, choose Custom Report. After selecting it, click Next to continue. This brings you into the Custom Report Builder setup, where you choose the data that will be used in the report. Now select your primary data source. This is the main object the report will be built around, so make sure it matches the kind of analysis you want to run. If your report needs related information from another object, you can enable Add More Data Sources and include those as needed. Once the data sources are set, click Next. You will now be inside the report builder. Here, add the properties and measures you want to analyze by dragging fields into the builder. As you place those fields, HubSpot will begin shaping the report based on the data you selected. After that, choose the visualization that fits the data you want to view. You can also apply filters to narrow the results so the report reflects only the records or time range you want to review. When the report structure looks right, go to the title at the top of the screen and click into it. Enter a name for your custom report that makes it clear what the report contains. This is useful later when you return to My Reports or add the report to a dashboard. With the name in place, go to the top right corner and click Save Report. HubSpot will then ask where you want to save it. Choose the location that matches how you plan to access it, whether that is in your reports library or another available destination in your account. After saving, open the report from My Reports. From there, review the finished report and confirm the data is displayed the way you expect. If something needs to change, you can edit it from this saved version. You can also add it to a dashboard if you want it included with other reports for ongoing visibility. Your custom report is now created in HubSpot and saved for review, editing, or dashboard use.